Okay, we just come back from a road trip and we stopped at the resting area to have a bite to eat. And then we come back with this tent. And when we look around, apparently the camera didn't really catch the culprit. So we end up with this tent. It's really annoying. It's like a needle under your skin looking at this. So I bought a $75 PDR toolkit for DIY for a noobs or an amateur like myself, and I want to see if that toolkit will do the job. So before we start, it's a good idea if we can clean this area for any dust. It is a good idea to clean this area because otherwise the glue will not stick. As you can see, this dent is very deep compared to this one. So I'm going to pull this using the bridge puller and using this one with the other dent puller, like a small one. Hopefully the paint will not come off after we apply the glue. So I get this PDR kit from Amazon for $75, containing 95 kits set in total. And this is what is in the box, or is in the bag. It's coming with the box, but I put everything in the bag. So I get this one, the glue guns, the puller. This is bridge puller. This is also another bridge puller. Cup suction, 3 cup suctions. Okay, now for this scenario, after watching a lot of YouTube video, for that kind of dent, we need a bridge puller. So something like this. It's coming with the cloth, a mechanic glove, which is quite handy. This is just a tube without the alcohol, and I think we need 70% or more alcohol to take the glue off. So let's get started. Okay, I'm going to stop my video now because I can't go on because I hurt my pinky. I'm happy with this, although this is still 50% done, still a lot work to do. I spent about almost 3 hours working on this. I can see that this is working, it's just that we need more time. Like this area before, I only did it 3 times and I can see the improvement, although I have to stop now because I've hurt my fingers using the puller. Still not flush, still wavy. I'm gonna stop my video again and I'll continue later on. Maybe hopefully I can get the final result by the end of the month. So stay tuned, then I'll see you next time. Bye.